This could be Julian Assange's last roll of the dice in the UK justice system, as his lawyers attempt a final appeal against his extradition to the US.
US! UK! Can't stop Assange!
Outside the court, hundreds of supporters echoed last week's vote in the Australian Parliament, calling for him to be released.
He should never be extradited to the United States. He would never be safe. The United States plotted to murder my husband. He is being accused of journalism.
The UN's Special Rapporteur on Torture also wants him freed.
I really would like to see the United States just drop it. Let's show some leadership.
If Julian Assange is extradited, he faces up to 175 years in prison over 18 charges, 17 of them for espionage. They relate to the publication of classified information over a decade ago, including the infamous video labelled Collateral Murder, showing a US military helicopter gunning down civilians during the Iraq War.
Light them all up.
Inside the court, Mr Assange's lawyer, Edward Fitzgerald KC, said his client is facing disproportionate punishment and interference in his freedom of speech.
I have never heard a journalist say that it is a legitimate journalistic practice to help a source hack into a government computer to steal information.
Julian Assange was given permission to appear in court, but he was too ill to attend.
I've been observing through my visits throughout every few weeks how his health has deteriorated, his weight loss, his immune system is breaking down, he has had a terrible lung infection.
One of the main arguments put forward by Julian Assange's lawyers today was that the extradition treaty can't be used for political offences. They say that the 17 espionage charges are inherently political because they deal with the publication of documents that expose what they say was torture, rendition and war crimes.
Lawyers for the US government will make their submissions on day 2 of the hearing. Steve Kinane, ABC News, London.